What's up, guys? Today I've got a product I want to show you. A good basic part of any car kit to bring with you is a portable jump starter. And I just got one to review and I thought I'd show you guys and we'll see what this thing is like. So today we're going to be looking at the TacLife T8 Max. This is a portable car jump starter. The company reached out to me and wanted me to review it, and I figured it was something that you guys might want to see, so we're going to give it a shot. This is the box it comes in. When you unbox it, it does come in this travel packaging, which I think is pretty cool and pretty useful if you're doing the road tripping thing. Then when you open it, you get these two here, and then on this side, if I can get it out of here, you've got the actual unit itself, which apparently comes wrapped in plastic and is really tight to the inside of this package. Also comes with a warranty card. It looks like you get the actual jumper leads as a separate piece here. So I'm going to pull that out so we can look at that. And according to the packaging, this has smart jumper leads, which are supposed to basically only allow power through here when it's making a good connection to keep it from sparking and stuff. And if you look here, it does have in this box on the jumper leads some lights that give you a light for reverse if you accidentally hook it up backwards, and a light for correct if you hook it up correctly, and then a button for boost, which I don't know what that does. I guess we'll find out in a second. In that same package, it also comes with a couple other things. And this is basically, you've got an AC adapter to 12-volt car adapter. You've got the charging cable for the device itself. And then you've got the wall adapter for the charging cable, because it has basically a USB cable like this, just like a cell phone. And I'm kind of anxious to see what this does, but let's get into the actual device itself. So the battery pack and the main module is right here. And I do like the fact that it's not very big and it's not very heavy. It doesn't take up a lot of space, which is great, because if you're going to pack this as a along the way kind of a thing, you want to be able to have it not take up too much space. Right off, I can tell you, and I haven't even read the instructions yet, but just looking at it, there are a couple features that look pretty good. Down here at the end, it looks like you've got a charge indicator. If you push this button, it'll just let you know how much charge the thing has. You've got a power button on this side, which apparently it comes with a built-in flashlight that you can turn on and off from that. And we're going to look at the instructions in a minute, but there's something back here too. I don't know about that. Then on this end, you've got your connection here for the actual jump leads. But this can do more than just jump a car. If you look here, it has two USB outlets for charging cell phones, camera equipment, anything that uses a USB charging cord. And then also, and this is what this piece I showed you earlier is for, this little adapter actually plugs in the side here, and this is a 12-volt output to a cigarette lighter plug. So if you already have an adapter for something that you own that needs this kind of plug, you can actually plug it in and power it from this, which is pretty nice. This is supposedly a 1,000 amp peak unit. This is retailing right now for right around $80. As far as I can tell, just initial impressions, it looks pretty well built. It feels really solid. I would say it's probably worth that. The main reasons I would keep something like this around in the car is because if you do a lot of road tripping, you don't know where you're going to be. You can wind up in some spots sometimes where you might need a jump, or you might need to charge a phone or something and find out that you're really far away from town or whatever and not be able to get to it. So if you're going to do a lot of traveling like that, I would recommend grabbing something like this, making it part of your road trip equipment. I also, just as a side note, tend to try to bring things like a first aid kit with me too. And I can do a video on more of that kind of stuff if you guys want to see that, just let me know. But we're going to take it out and maybe try a couple of the features. Back at the shop, I have got a slightly abusive test set up. I'm going to take this old Ranger I'm working on and this Tack Life jump starter, which I have just unboxed and is not even charged yet, because you're supposed to charge these, but they do come with a certain amount of charge on them just to keep the batteries good. So what we're going to do is hook this thing up as is, and this indicator is like 3 out of 4 bars, so maybe it's got a little charge on it more than I thought. But basically, I'm going to take this with this battery unhooked. I just want to see if just with the charge it comes with, if it can start a car by itself. I know a lot of the Matco ones and Snap-on ones are that strong, so I just want to see if this one holds up to that. So we're just going to hook this up to this, and I don't know if I have to, oh, I guess I just do that. Okay, and let's just give it a shot and see if it'll start. I've got power and the battery's unhooked, so that's impressive. Holy crap. So that was honestly pretty impressive, because like I said, I just took this thing out of the box. That's just with the charge that it comes with out of the box, and it started this truck without any problem at all. That alone, to me, means it would be worth keeping in the car, because you know that even if it's not all the way charged, you're not going to have any trouble using it as a backup to start a car. So that's about it. Honestly, for the price point and for all the features that it has and the size and the construction, I think it's a pretty cool little device. They did give me this one for free, full disclosure, to show you guys, but I am not being paid for showing you this, so I am under no obligation to make this review look one way or another. But there is one more thing, and that is that they did provide me with a discount code. So if any of you guys would like to pick up one of these, you can use the discount code they gave us, and I will put it right here, as well as it'll be down in the description if you need that. This is not an affiliate link, so I am not making anything off of this, but this will give you an additional 5% off, which might help cover, you know, shipping or whatever. But anyway, if you need one of these, check it out. I think it's pretty neat looking, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it. Other than that, though, I'm done for this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know what to do. Hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, and peace.